Urgent warning from astronomers. The Sun may be on the verge of a catastrophic micronova. In December 2024, a groundbreaking study published in leading scientific journals by prominent astrophysicists revealed a chilling truth. Our Sun, a yellow dwarf, is statistically overdue for a micronova, an explosive event believed to occur approximately once every 100 years. These researchers analyzed 56,450 stars similar to our Sun, drawn from extensive stellar catalogs, and identified 2,889 superflares, massive eruptions far exceeding the intensity of the 1859 Carrington event, potentially by factors of 100 or even 1,000. A micronova, as hypothesized, involves the ejection of the Sun's outer envelope in a cyclical pattern tied to solar rhythms. While the study suggests a rough 100-year interval, some argue it aligns with the 11-year Schwab cycle, or multiples like 99 or 110 years, given that longer solar cycles, the Hale and Gliesberg, also follow this pattern. The last recorded micronova level event is absent from the past century, though the 100-year figure is a statistical average, not a precise timer. With 150 years elapsed since the Carrington event and 400 to 500 years since historical accounts of floods and clay falling from the sky. Clay falling from the sky? I've never heard that before, but anyway, that's what they say. The data suggests we are entering a critical window. Compounding this, unsettling signs have emerged. In September 2023, gamma-ray bursts of unknown origin surged, reaching up to 15 per day, equivalent to an annual baseline in just 24 hours. Monitoring systems were intermittently disabled and then reactivated, only for the phenomenon to intensify in February and March of 2024. And since then, official data streams have gone silent, leaving questions unanswered. Meanwhile, seismic and volcanic activity has escalated globally, and we know that the solar cycle, the solar maximum does bring in increased seismic and volcanic activity. And research from recent years correlates gamma ray spikes with 75% likelihood of earthquakes within 2 to 3 weeks, a connection easily verifiable through academic sources. If gamma ray bursts have persisted through 2024 at rates of 15 to 20 every day or higher, experts may be quietly sounding alarms. The implications are staggering. Financial markets reflect unease, cryptocurrencies are plummeting, while banks aggressively stockpile gold, silver, and other metals. Geopolitical tensions simmer, with military buildup suggesting preparations for conflict, possibly masked by escalations like strikes on various countries in the Middle East, paving way for emergency measures. A particular incident, March 9, 2025, adds to the unease. An Air India flight experienced a simultaneous failure of 11 out of 12 onboard toilets. Can you imagine that? How is that possible? While dismissed as trivial by some, the number 11 echoes the solar cycle's rhythm and intriguingly ancient texts. In the Puranas, Shiva's 11 Rudras, divine forces born to combat chaos, saved the earth from ruin. Could this be a coded signal obscured in plain sight from those aware of the impending crisis? The stakes escalate further with the reinterpretation of the Kali Yuga. Contrary to the widely cited 432,000-year duration, evidence suggests a 432-year cycle, mistranslated over centuries. If true, this dark age may conclude in March 2025, this month, aligning with the celestial warnings. Should a micronova occur, models predict 3 days of darkness, atmospheric fallout, perhaps the clay of lore, the sky, clay rain falling, and gamma ray bombardment destabilizing Earth's core, potentially triggering continental shifts. This is not sensationalism, it is synthesis of peer-reviewed science, historical patterns, and current anomalies. The silence from official channels only deepens the urgency, and we stand at a precipice. Are we prepared for what may come? And the evidence demands attention, and time may be running out. It's not just the scientists that are warning us. We have warnings from various past mystics as well. And you'll see coming back to one of yesterday's videos, the message from our Lord saying, "Come back to me with all your heart, generation, while there is still time." Please leave your comments, or thank you for your support. This is from Solask. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.